Assalamu alaikum. This is Sister Melissa, Rahman Nursery Director, and I'm here with my son. What's your name?
Rashid.
What grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
He is in kindergarten in Rahma school. So, mashallah, we are reading a book today, and we are making binoculars. You want to show them your binoculars, Rashid?
I'm looking at you. I think I see a board there.
Yeah. Okay, so our story is called, okay, let's put it down, Rashid. Ramadan Moon. So let's get started. Ramadan Moon by Naima B. Robert. Look at all that moon, Rashid. The beginning of a month of Ramadan is in here. Okay?
No,
so
that's the beginning.
No, this is the beginning of the month.
What?
Okay, the crescent is the beginning of the month, and then it changes as the month go on, and the ending of the month is the crescent again. But you see how the crescent is facing one way on this side and then facing the other way on that side, right? Yeah. So what month is it now?
It's Ramadan.
Ramadan. What do we do in Ramadan, Rashid?
Fast.
We fast, right? Okay, so when we were in the beginning of the month, we saw that it was the crescent, the first crescent, right? And now as the month goes on, the moon changes, okay? It changes into different phases, okay? All right, so let's read about the story, okay? All right, Ramadan Moon by Naima B. Roberts. Ramadan, the month of fasting, doesn't begin all at once. It begins with a whisper and a prayer and a wish. As the month of Ramadan approaches, we search the sky for a sign, waiting, anticipating the silver sliver of brightness, the shining white crescent that is the Ramadan moon. And when the new moon is seen, what a wonderful excitement! The news spread like wildfire through cities, towns, and villages, across deserts and grassland, into each and every home. And Muslims of every nation, of every age, and every hue will join the celebration of the arrival of the moon. It's here! Ramadan is here! The month of mercy has begun.
How can everybody see the moon if there's one moon?
Oh, the world, you could see it. You could view it. The world is round. You could see. So one on daytime we could see the moon better, and the other side of the world is daytime, and your side of the world is nighttime, and then they will see the moon during night. Remember, the world is round?
Yeah.
And in mosque after mosque, in mosque after mosque of every shape and size, men, women, and children will all stand up to pray. The Imam will recite the verses of the book that was revealed hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of years ago. What is the book that we read, that Mommy reads at night? What is that called? The book. And you recite it. Do you know what the book is? Al-Quran. Quran. So now we all wake up to eat in the dark before dawn, sleepy mouths full for the day ahead, while the silent city sleeps. Then Dad's clear voice rings out, calling all of us to pray. Our family bows like one body before the break of day. In daylight, we feel hungry, but at sunset, when we eat, it makes us a little thoughtful, a little humble, and very grateful. Are you grateful for food, Rashid?
Mm-hmm.
Because some people don't have food. And each night the moon grows fuller, like ripe and tender fruit, shining on houses filled with laughter and mosque alive with prayer. Each night they come unfailing, this seething congregation, to reflect on the words of their Lord in silent celebration. You see how the moon is bigger now, Rashid?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
It gets smaller.
Yeah, it's small and then bigger, and then it goes smaller again.
First, in all days you see it round, and sometimes you see it like a
crescent, right? Okay. During the day, we keep busy with all sorts of good deeds. Our voices flow with the words of God in unplanned harmonies. We look for things to give away, collect money for charity, be kind and caring and polite. Try hard not to get angry. Now the Ramadan moon is round and full. Look at that, Rashid. A bright silver medallion, but with a special secret sorrow. We see that half of the month is gone. We watch her as she wanes, losing a sliver every night until we reach the last 10 days. Those last days tinged with sadness when we try to share more, pray more, do more, and give more. You know, we're on the last days now, the last 10 days of Ramadan. You know that? What's coming at the end of Ramadan? What happens after Ramadan? Let's see. And we look for the night of power better than 1,000 nights, that extra special night when we ask for all that we desire, wishes upon wishes and prayer upon prayer. And when the new crescent moon is seen and the Eid day is announced, the Muslims world rejoice, for our festival has begun. You like Eid, Rashid? Yeah. For Eid, there will be haircuts and pretty henna designs and visitors and brand new clothes that rustles as we walk. And in the morning, there will be Eid prayer, charity for the poor, family and friends, parties and outings, sweets and treats and more. Yeah. But all that is tomorrow. Tonight the city sleeps. As I look out at the night sky, my smile is bittersweet. Goodbye, great month of mercy. Hope to see you soon. Please hurry back, my silver friend, my beautiful
moon.
Ramadan moon. Did you like the story, Rashid? Yeah. So even though Eid is coming, we might not be able to go to Eid prayer, but we could still celebrate it with our family, right? Right?
Yeah.
All righty. Okay. So now it's time to make the what? What is this? So make the what? What is this called? Binoculars. Because we gotta see the moon, right? We gotta see when Ramadan ends. Okay, so let me give you some, I give you guys some time to get your materials, inshallah. Right. So we need construction paper, different types. We need a toilet paper roll or paper towel. You can cut it.
I need tape.
You need string, glue, and scissors, or you can use tape too instead of scissors. Instead of glue. So if you have a paper towel, you just kind of cut. And then you make sure you kind of cut it the same way here, right? So they're the same size, inshallah. All right. So hopefully everybody got their materials. So I got one and Rashid got one, okay? All right. So we have to pick the color. What color do you want to use, Rashid? What color?
I have to use black.
Oh, let's see black. I think do something different because we did black before, right? You want to do something different? What color do you want?
Blue.
All right. Let's try this blue. All right. So make sure you kind of measure it this way.
Do this like made the houses.
Yeah, like the cities. Okay. All right. So now we got kind of like a square. Cut it up. Okay. Here, Rashid, you can glue that. Okay. And grab this one. Make sure you get the edges, Rashid. Now you got the binoculars. Okay, so I will choose the color. I will choose orange. All right.
Man.
Yeah, you gotta. What happened? Too much glue?
Fine.
Okay. Got it?
Yes.
All right. All right, now you try to put it together, right? So you just put it together like this, and you glue it on either side, like Rashid just did, okay? Make sure it dries. here. Make sure you glue the edges. Inshallah. And then make more glue. And the edges. There we go. And then now I glue it together. I want to like wait till this dry first. I'm gonna glue it. Gotta trim it. I think I got it. All right. So now all he has to do is tape or glue the string. Okay. Rashid says he wants to tape it, so we can do that. Here you go, Rashid. Yeah. Cut here in the tape. And you could use it here. There you go. Tape. There you go. Cut you another tape. Uh-oh. Maybe 2 tape. Okay. Need more tape, Rashid?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe. 1, 2.
There you go. 1 tape.
No. 1, 2, 3, 5. 5. 5.
5 what?
5 pieces of string.
It's just 1 piece.
Because you know the fun job.
Ah, you good now? Do you need another one?
You add designs to it.
Yeah, you could add design. This one was done by Layla, so she put the moon and the star in there. Add designs too. Let me finish mine, and then we are done. That was fast, right? Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
I think I'm gonna do what you did, Rashid.
What?
I'm gonna use the
Tape.
tape too.
And taping my eyes.
You're so silly. Okay. All right. Uh-oh.
Squish, squash, dish, dash. I have
All righty. We're all done, Rashid. Okay, so we got the string here. All right, come on, Rashid. Let's show them our binoculars. Okay, ready? We're gonna watch the Eid moon. Ramadan moon, now we're gonna watch the Eid moon. I hope you guys enjoy that. Assalamualaikum.
See you next time.